Good afternoon, sir.
Vivas, mute yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. This is your schedule, na? Your time, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, let it be.
So I think we have some mismatch with our class.
I don't know. I don't care because only one day it's happened. That is my fault, and we cannot say that is the fault. Actually, that is the mistake because I forget the timetable of that day. The timetable are not virtually they have given hard copy to anyone. That's why. Okay, let's start. Huh? Otherwise, time is very less. And okay. See the bank reconciliation statement. I have given the four different situation on it, and each situation is important for you. Okay, each situation will be important for everyone. Okay, if you try to understand the situation, please take out the previous notes also. Okay, otherwise you may be confused. So, bank reconciliation statement in four different situations, and that four different situations maybe appear like when balances as per cash book favorable. So what it means the balances of the cash book is favorable, do you know? Manti Malakar,
Yes, sir.
do you know what it means that balances is favorable?
No, no, sir.
Why?
I forgot.
See, when balances as per book cash book favorable, that means uh, it means that cash book is going to match with passbook, and here we have to consider, we have to focus on same situation means on uh, on cash book. Okay, so those two conditions can be appear. I am searching my notebook where it's gone. Sorry, I have it. Let me, I have given you the notes also, so from that notes you all have to follow. Okay, so first condition, when balances as per cash book favorable, it means uh, deposit is deposit is more than withdrawal. Deposit is more than withdrawal. That means that is the favorable. Here it means that cash book is showing more than the withdrawal. That means that is the favorable case. Second one is when balance as per passbook is favorable. So same condition is here also. the deposit is more than withdrawal. Again, third one, when overdraft as per cash book is given. So I have written just it's below excess of withdrawal over deposit. That is known as overdraft. Next one is when overdraft as per passbook. When overdraft as per passbook, then what shall we do at that situation? See, just I have changed. First of all, we have to write balance as per cash book. So we have to put some amount, and then after we have to add. So before there is add and subtract, there are two column, but I have separated in a single row. That is the plus or the minus, and after that we have to write balance as per passbook. And just go to the next. Okay. When balance as per cash book is favorable, what shall we do at this condition? It's a big thing. Okay, when balance as per cash book is favorable. I have already I have given this question also to you to solve this one. I don't know whether you all have done or not. Okay. So just to see from the flowing particulars of just write down, or I will send you later on. From the flowing particulars of Mr. James, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2015. Number one, just to see, the balance as per cash book was rupees 18,000 as on 31st 3 2015. So this bank reconciliation statement prepared on 31st March 2015. So we have to write bank reconciliation statement of Mr. James as on 31st March 2015. After that, actually the balance as per cash book is given. Just to see balance as per cash book. So it means that uh, we have to find out balance as per passbook. Okay, we have to find balance as per passbook. So we are preparing cash book. First of right, balance as per cash book rupees 18,000. Balance as per cash book rupees 18,000. I will show you how you have to do. Just to see, just to prepare like that. Write down the bank reconciliation statement of Mr. James as on 31st March 2015. After that, write down balance as per cash book 18,000. So now we will see which amount will be add and which amount will be subtract. So let's go to, I think I have given some, oh yes, here is the methods on the next page actually. So I have already explained also, when you start as per cash book, okay, when you start as your cash book, you have to concentrate with passbook. Okay, we have to concentrate only on passbook. If in the passbook any item increase of passbook, it will be add in the cash book. Okay, hello, I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so just to see, uh, so we are preparing cash book. So write down in your notebook just now. Just you write down, and we'll solve that question because we are preparing cash book. Whenever we prepared or start from balances per cash book, we have to concentrate. We have to concentrate on passbook. Okay. So just you see the here. Whenever any items increase of passbook, it will be ultimately add on the cash book. Okay, it will be ultimately add on the cash book. And if any item decrease on the passbook, if any item decrease on the passbook, it will ultimately what it will do, decrease in cash book. So come to the question. Yes, come to the question. Just you see B. The following check were paid into bank on 25th March but credited to James' account in the first week of April. On the first week of April, like Jones 550, Joshua 850, Imran 300. So these are the amount. See, you are a businessman, you have only cash book. So you have issued the come to the question. The flowing check were paid into bank. You have gone and deposited some check which you have received, uh, but ultimately it will be credited on uh, 1st April. So when you have to deposit from cash book, what you will do? Uh, what will happen? You ultimately pass some entry in your cash book. Your cashier will start passing of that. Okay, they start passing off the entries like 550, 850, and 300. They have less from your cash book, but ultimately, this amount is increased in your sorry decreased in your passbook. Why it decreases from your passbook? Do you know? Do you know? Anyone? Just you see, the flowing check were paid into bank. Malti, do you understand this question? The flowing check were paid into bank. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that means check paid into bank, but not credited in the passbook. But not credited in the passbook.
Current.
Yeah, if that amount is not credited in passbook, that means that your passbook is showing less, isn't it? The amount is
Yes,
showing
sir.
less, and there will be no. And what will be the condition of your cash book? It will be increasing, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have to decrease this amount from our cash book. Okay,
Okay.
that is the first condition. Do you understand, or still there is some difficulties you are facing?
No, sir. Understand.
Okay, just you see, C. The flowing check were issued by the firm in March. Oh, sorry, in March, and were cashed in April. Princey 350, Asika rupees 450, and Nazima rupees 550. The flowing check were issued by the firm. That means I issued the check in March as well as and were cashed in April. So this amount is also not recorded on at the same time in the bank balance. I have subtracted from the cash book. I have subtracted from the cash book, and also I have deposit in the passbook. But bank also did not do anything. But my cash book is showing less and bank balance is showing more. Okay. Bank balance is showing more. So whenever our passbook is showing more, then what we will do entry? What will do entry?
So
Yes.
decrease. Decrease, sir.
If
I think.
huh?
Decrease.
No, no. See, for example, you are a businessman, okay, and you
Okay.
have issued check for me and for your brother and for your father. You have issued three check. So first of all, okay, okay,
Excuse
Supriyo,
me, sir. Sir,
yes,
excuse me. Sir, did I
yeah.
miss something, sir? Actually, I'm trying from that time, but you're not accepting me, sir.
No, you did not miss anything. Just you concentrate on it. And
Okay, sir.
oh. So Malti, I mean to say that uh, you have issued three check, me, your brother, and your father. So you are a businessman. So what your cashier will do? He will just decrease that much of the amount because you have check issued. But ultimately, that amount is not paid by the bank. So no entry is done in 31st March. That's why its balances is increasing. So if passbook will be increased, then what will be our entry? What will be the entry? If our passbook increases, so what will be the entry?
Sir, balance plus होगा.
Yes,
Include.
it will be added in the
Yes, sir.
cash book. So you just write check issued but not yet presented for payment. Check issued but not yet presented for payment. Like Princey 350, Asika 450, Nazima 500. If you add this all, you will get 1300. Just you see, you must be right like that. Princey 350, Nazima Asika 450, Nazima 500. If you add the 1350, and we have less one item, that is the check paid into bank but not credited in the passbook, that is Jonas, Joshua and Imran, that is 1700. Still we have did only two entries, three entries. One is the balance as per passbook, that is 1800, 18,000. Now move to C. C is finished now. D. A check for rupees 300 was received. A check, I received check. You have to think like that. I a check for rupees 300 which was received from customer was entered in the bank column of the cash book in March, but same was paid into the bank in April. Again, also the same condition arise. Check, we received check. So whenever we receive check, we will show the amount in cash book as a plus. As a plus means it is a increasing, so our cash book is increasing. But ultimately, passbook is decreasing because no entry has been done there. Na? Okay, it will paid in April, not in 31st March. Any doubt? Anyone? Anyone? No doubt. किसी को है जो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है अभी भी? Please tell to me. Anyone? No.
Sir, repeat again.
How you are doing balance as per case book or balance as per passbook?
Balance as per cash book. I'm repeating
Okay, sir.
again the same thing. Okay. So, but through by my notes. So, a check for rupees 300 which was received from a customer. I received check for rupees 300 through by the customer. So, at the same time, our cash book is increased. Okay, here they have written in the bank column the cash book. So, we are preparing double column cash book. There is the bank column also and cash book also. But it don't be confused that it will be not saying about the passbook. Okay, only the bank column. That's why they have written the bank column of the cash book in March. So at the same time, our cashier entered in his cash book 300 rupees as plus added his amount. But the same time that the things that the check is not deposited into the bank. So there will be the mismatch between cash book and the passbook, because passbook is showing lesser amount than the cash book. So if our passbook is decreasing, then entry will be less from the cash book. Okay, the entry will be minus from the cash book. Any doubt? So just you see uh, how much amount is there, 3000 or a check of rupees 300. It might be the 3000, just to write 3000 was received. So later you just try to add or sum all of this. Then 17 something does. No, this is 300. Okay, just you correct it. This one is the 300 because 17 plus 3 is 2000 and 2000 plus 1 is 2100. Oh, there are a lot of pain on my leg. So this amount is only 300. Okay, check received but not deposited into bank. Just write down 300. Have you written? Huh? Likha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just you see the E point. A check for rupees 500 was credited to the account and was not passed through the cash book. Okay. Many time it happened like the Suprio have an account in SDFC and ultimately someone deposited check in his account. He is a businessman, so his passbook is increases, isn't it? But Superior don't have any knowledge about someone have deposited some check in his account. So that's the reason. At the same time, what will be happen here? Passbook is increased by rupees 500. So we will have to add this amount in cash book. Okay. Have you understood? Have you understand this one? E. Arey, don't sleep. Okay.
सर रिपीट करिए प्लीज रिपीट अगेन सर
See a check, for example, I'm giving example also. Just you assume that Suprio have an account in SDFC and someone have deposited check on his account. At the same time, passbook is increased by rupees 500, isn't it?
यस सर
But no,
Yes, sir.
but no entry had made in the cash book. So what shall we do when passbook increased? It will be
कैश
added in
बुक
the cash.
डिक्रीज
No, no. It will not like that. It
तो
will be
सर
added in the cash book. When passbook increased, then it will be added in the cash book. So uh, just you write down check received, but not this one. Sorry. Uh, in the ad side you write check credited to the account was not entered in the cash book. CB, I have written CB, that means the cash book. Check credited to the account. मतलब credited means ना जमा हो गया मेरे account में, it means credited. So check credited to the account was not entered in the cash book. Write down rupees 500 in the addition side. Okay, next one is F. The passbook shows a credit of rupees 200 for interest. A passbook show a credit of rupees 200 for interest. So this is paid by the bank, isn't it? Interest is paid by you. Hello?
No, sir. Bank.
Bank.
Bank, sir.
So it ultimately, if it was paying interest, then ultimately it will be increase the passbook from your cash book, because you don't have any idea about the interest of rupees 200, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So passbook increased by rupees 200.
So, sir, it will be add.
So yes, write down interest credited in bank. Okay, next just you see, and a debit of rupees 100 for bank charge. If here they have written the debit and credit, if it will not write also, we should have to understood. Okay, bank charge means some amount deducted from our deposit side. Okay, some amount deducted by the bank. So 100 rupees deducted by the bank means decrease in our passbook, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
From the cash book. Just you assume in the cash book 100 rupees and in passbook 100 rupees. Okay. In the cash book 100 rupees and in passbook also 100 rupees. So I will show you. I will show you. Just you see here. What was happening, just you see. I mean that this is cash book. Only this is the problem. That's why I'm not using this one. And also I don't have the cash book. So B is not visible. Cash book. And just you write down here. Passbook. This one is the passbook, okay? Passbook. So, for example, here also 100 rupees and here also 100 rupees. This one is the assumed amount, okay? This one is the assumed amount. It is the assumed amount. Okay. Same amount is there in the cash book also and in the passbook also. So in every entry you have to think like that. Every entry you have to think like that. There was a cash book and passbook, and each levels are equal, same position. So bank charges rupees 10 charges. Okay. It is the charges, that is the interest actually. Interest. So see, If it will charges, then it will be become 90. But still your cash book is showing rupees 100. So what it means? It will be decreasing your passbook, isn't it? And
Yeah,
if passbook
Yes,
will
sir.
yes,
be
Yeah, yes,
decreased,
sir.
if your passbook will be decreased, then that amount will be also
minus.
minus.
Minus, sir.
So in minus. So that is the way that is the way you have to do. Okay. Again, there are so many like interest. If it is paid interest, then it will become add, and it will become sorry, it will become 110, isn't it? So it if it will become 110 interest, it will be no not charges interest. So at that time it will be increased, and if it will be increased, it will be become add. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move to our question again. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what will be the question pattern in exam?
Same way. In this situation, in pandemic situation, there will be small questions, very small questions for 2 line or 3 line answer will be there for 2 marks. Or if it will be objective types, then it will be 1 marks. So 10 marks as like objectives, or small question like what is general entry, what is laser, uh, what is the difference between cash uh, cash book and cash bank reconciliation system, like that question. Very small question with it. And in long question, some general entries will be given laser, or for calculating this bank reconciliation statement, only small questions. This one is C, very small, that I have discussed. This one is very small, and like this question will be carry 5 marks or 4 marks. So there will be 3 questions each. Out of the 3 or the out of 2, you have to do all. If there is 2 questions, then it will carry 5 marks. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10, and above one will be carry 1 into 10 or 2 into 5. Most probably chances there 1 into 10. Okay.
Sir, if 5 into 2, then there will be one alternative in 5 marks.
Actually, you will not find any alternative questions in section A. Section B, it may be possible that you will get one more question. Okay. So don't afraid.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you give our syllabus, sir, if this is possible right now?
No, it is not possible.
Okay, sir.
I'll give you later on. Yes. Okay. So first one, we have a study about when you start as per cash book. Then when you start from the cash book, you have to concentrate with the passbook. And when you start as per passbook, just you write down this one also. Then ultimately what you have to do, you have to concentrate. You have to concentrate on the cash book. If some amount increase in the cash book, then ultimately it will be add in the passbook. If some amount decrease in the cash book, then ultimately it will be minus from the passbook. So you may take the short screen also, you may download also, it's up to you. Hello. हाँ मैम. नहीं नहीं मैम, अभी तो सर कल बोले हैं, तो मैं कल तक बनाऊंगा. आज बनाऊंगा, कल आपको बताऊंगा मैं. हाँ. ठीक है मैम, मैं कोशिश करूंगा। और एक मैसेज मुझे डालिए ना मैम इसके लिए, ये जो एमडीटी में करवाने जा रहा हूँ ना सर, तो मांगना पड़ेगा ना मैम एक मैसेज। ठीक ठीक। Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just to see,
Yes,
when
sir.
if you prepare as per passbook, then you have to concentrate with the cash book, and the same pattern will be follow in overdraft also. You don't have to worry if there is overdraft, then what we will do. Nothing worry about that. Same thing we have to follow. So let's go to another question. When balance as per passbook is favorable. Okay. So second question will be when balance as per passbook is favorable. So it means deposit side is better than the withdrawal side. See, from the flowing particulars, a certain to know, actually a certain means to know the bank balance as per cash book, bank balance. Okay, ascertain the bank balance, to know the bank balance as per cash book of Mr. Tharia as at 31st March 2015. So our first entry will be credit balance as per passbook as on 31st 3 2015, rupees 2500. So 2500 is there. What you have to do? You have to write balance as per passbook. Balance as per passbook 2500. Now you have to concentrate on balance as per cash book. See their solution also. You have to write bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Thania as on 31st 3 2015. Balance as per passbook 2500. So it will be easier. Now we have to sum of what add and sum of what minus, and then after we'll get balance as per cash book. Okay, let's move to question. See the question. Bank charges of rupees 100 had not seen entered in the cash book. If bank charges rupees 100, that means minus from passbook. So we are preparing passbook, and now we have to concentrate with cash book. So nothing entries made in cash book. So if nothing entries made in the cash book, what will be happen? What will be happen? I will show you. Stop showing there. We'll move to again board. Let's go to board. Okay. So we are preparing passbook, isn't it? So will you understand if I will write PB passbook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So PB, and we have to concentrate with uh, cash book, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Cash book. So we know we are on the first entry, and on the first entry, bank charges. Okay, bank charges some amount. How much? 100. Bank charges some amount, that is the 100. So what it will be happen. Do you know bank charges rupees 100? First of all, it will be minus, for example, 100 rupees is here, and again 100 rupees is here. It will be less, for example, how much? How much bank charges is how much? Rupees 100. Okay. Minus 100, it will become 0. And what is showing better? No entries is done in the cash book, isn't it? I'm right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your cash book is increasing. Your cash book is increasing by rupees 100. So if your cash book is increased, then what shall you have to do? You have to add this amount. Okay. You have to add this amount. How much? Rupees 100. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because now you are preparing passbook and you have to concentrate on cash book. Okay. So let's move to second one. So what will be the entry? What will be the entry of it? It will be add na. Hello.
Sir, what is the question, sir, right now?
Question is not there. I will read, and at same time I can explain also. Okay.
If cash book increases, then it will be add.
Yeah. So here cash book is increased. That's why we have to add. So write down add bank charges rupees 100. Bank charges rupees 100. You are preparing bank reconciliation statement account. Uh, yes, there are two sides. Here 200, 2,500. It will be the balance as per passbook. Balance. It is very much difficult to write. I will write only amount. Okay. So we have to add here. Here is the passbook. Okay. It means balance as per passbook 2,500. Now we have to add uh, bank charges. That is the I'm writing charges. Um, bank charges rupees 100. Okay. Now we will move to C. Out of the check, out of the check, out of the checks of rupees 3,500. Okay, out of the checks rupees 3,500 paid into the bank, a check of rupees 1,500 was not yet credited by the bankers. It, so where we have to focus, just to see, out of the checks of rupees 3,000, there are total check of rupees 3,500 paid into the bank. A check of rupees 1,500 was not yet credited by the banker. So out of that, 1,500 check was not credited. So if 1,500 was not credited in the bank, and there are 100 rupees here and 100 rupees here also. So if it will be not credited, okay, if it will be not credited in your passbook by rupees 1,500, then what will be happen? Here already this amount is added. Okay, here already this amount is added, but in this place this amount is misleading. This amount is not added. Okay, bacha, do you know what I want to say? This 1500 amount is not added here. So ultimately this is increasing, and if our cash book is increased, it amount is also added. Have you understood or not this one?
Yes, sir. Understand.
See, out of the check of 3500 paid into the bank, so what will be happen? You have to write like that. A check deposited, write down in the right side, check deposited but not at credited, but not at credited. 3500 minus 2000, but because 2000 already paid, only 1500 is remaining, isn't it? Okay, next D. Write down, out of the check is said for rupees 10,000. Out of the check is said for rupees 10,000 checks. Okay, 10,000 checks is there. So it will be add here, check deposited. So check deposited, that is not at credited. Now also not at credited, not at credited. That is amount is 3,500 minus 2,000. That will be 1,500. Okay. After that, D is there. Out of the check is said for rupees 10,000 checks of rupees 9,200 only were presented for payment. So what it means? There are 10,000 rupees of checks are there, and out of that only 9,200 they have paid. So remaining 8,000, sorry, 800. Uh, Here is the amount is 10,000 minus 10,000 minus. We will write here 10,000 minus 92. 9.2, that 92, that is about 8,000. 8. So this amount is not yet paid. So you have to write like this. First of all, you try to understand. Okay, out of the check is set to rupees 10,000 check, or rupees 9,200 only were presented for payment. So this person is issued 10,000 of rupees check. 10,000 rupees of check. Okay, but only 9,200 will be credited. So still 800 was showing less in the cash book, is showing less from the cash book as compared to the passbook. So that's why this 800 rupees will be subtract from passbook. Okay. So now we will less. We have done one. Uh, that is, we have to write check issued but not presented. Check issued. Check issued but not not presented for payment. That is 10,000 minus 9,200, which will be 800. Again, if you look E, a dividend of rupees 900 was collected by the bankers directly. So 900 it will be directly included. So this one is, there is no entry in the cash book. That's why it's showing less than the passbook. For example, here is rupees 100 and here is rupees also 100. So if 900 bank received as a dividend from other sources, then here will be the 1000 rupees and here is only 100. So what shall we do? We will be less that much of the amount again. Okay. So we will less here 900 because we have to concentrate only in the cash book. These items are showing less than the passbook. That's why we have to minus that much of the amount. Like 900 we have to minus. Because if you minus 100, then it will become 100 each. Okay. So if you add this all, no, again there is one question. A check of rupees 750 had been dishonored prior to 31st to 2015. Okay. One check is dishonored, but no entry was made in the cash book. If no entry is made in the cash book, then what will be the happen? What will be the happen? Cash book is showing more na. If check is dishonored, dishonored, then what will be happen?
So cash book will show more.
Yes, cash book will show more. That's why we have to write here one entry, that is dishonored of the check not received in the cash book. Dishonored of the check, dishonored of the check not received, in the cash book. That is from 750. If you will do total of this, we will get 2,350. Okay. If you add this all, there will be the,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, 4,000.
Sir,
Yes.
we have one more class just after 3 minutes.
Okay. And so what you mean? I mean, I have to stop. Okay.
Yes, sir. What can I do? We have one class just after 3 minutes.
Okay, just you note down that one. Note down this one. See whether you will take a screen of this one, or what, how it may be.
Sir, you can send for us this as a PDF, sir.
Yes, but still there is two is remaining now. That's why, like the overdraft. After completing overdraft, I will send you, na.
Okay, sir.
So, so after 5 minutes, there will be another class. Ajay Sarkar,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Bindya Jamatia, Joel Dev Verma. Bindya Jamatia is not there.
Sir, I'm there.
Okay. Joel Dev Verma. Joel Dev Verma. Shashank Dev Verma.
Yes, sir.
Somyadeep Banik. Somyadeep Banik. Somya, are you there? No. Bilal Dev Verma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rohan Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Rini Dev Verma.
Yes, sir.
Mrinal Kanti Dev Verma. Mirinal. Mirinal Kanti Dev Verma. Are you there? Mirinal. No. Smriti Lata Dev Verma.
Yes, sir.
Sudhmoy Rudrapal. Sandeepan Das. Sandeepan Das. Sohan Sinha. Singda Sinha.
Present, sir.
Pratham Das. Akash Sinha.
Sir, he is present.
Okay. Joydeep Paul. Joydeep
Present,
Paul.
sir.
Saptrishi Chaudhary.
Sir, present. Sir, Jodipal present.
What about Saptrishi Chaudhary?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Priti Jamatia.
Yes, sir.
Armithangi Kapeng.
Yes, sir.
Subham Dev.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible. Subham Dev na?
Yes, sir.
Pradeep Banik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sahil Jamatia.
Present, sir.
Aninda Nandi Majumdar. Istri Riyang. Istri Riyang. Subhadeep Sarkar. Kashish Chakma.
Present, sir.
Amit Saha.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Boyri Dev Verma.
Yes, sir.
Vibhash Chakma.
Present, sir.
Dhanmay Thapa.
Present, sir.
Supriyo
Excuse me,
Sinha.
sir. Sir,
Yes.
excuse
Present,
me,
sir.
sir. Sir, Shomadip Bonik, sir, due to net problem, sir, can't able to turn on the mic, sir. Shomadip
What?
Bonik, sir.
I have taken his name.
Yes, sir. Sir, roll number 5, sir. Actually.
Okay, I will see. Supriyo Sinha, are you there na?
Yes, sir. I'm present.
Bappan Devnath.
Present, sir.
Purab Dev. Purab Dev.
Present, sir.
Tanmay Poddar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Tanmay Poddar. Tanmay. Parthiv Roy.
Present, sir.
Sumentra Saha. Sumentra Saha. Varun Dev. Varun Dev. Monty Malakar.
Present, sir.
Vishal Dev Verma. Bradley Dev Verma. Birajit Mura Singh. So, Supriyo, what was his name? Supriyo, are you there?
Sir, actually, don't know, sir. Sir, did you give my attendance, sir? Shomodip
Excuse
Punik,
me,
sir.
sir.
Yes. I'm asking one fellow that is not joined now. Supriyo,
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
what was his
Hello.
name? Who's trying to join us?
Yes, sir.
What was his name?
Sir, who, sir?
One fellow did not open his mic now.
Sir, Shomodip Bonik.
Subodip Bonik.
Yes, sir. It's somebody
Sir,
money.
excuse me, did you, did you mark me present?
Subodip Bonik. Yes. Joydeep na?
Okay. Yes, sir.
You are not new student na? You are old student, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me see. Joydeep, Paul.
Sir, 18. Roll number 18.
So you are a Joydeep Paul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are present. Don't worry about
Thank
it.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much for attending today class. We'll meet again tomorrow.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Saturday class will be rescheduled on Friday class will be rescheduled on Saturday, because on Friday I am going to do MDP program.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. At what time?
At the same time will we follow as routine on Friday. Every
Okay,
class
sir.
I will take 5